Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start a new tutorial series that is Introduction to LaTeX. LaTeX is a system of typesetting documents. You can create well-structured documents in LaTeX. There are few components in LaTeX you have to prepare before typesetting. And the first and the foremost thing is the preamble part. In today's tutorial, I will only cover the first line of the preamble part, that is document class. You can write the document class by specifying its different options in square braces and the type of the document class in curly braces. First of all, I will discuss the type of document by skipping all the options. The first document class is basically a book. When you have to create books, you can choose the document class book. For slides, for presentation slides, you can choose Beamer or slides as well. In order to produce research articles, you can choose the document class as article. For creating a graphic with a tight paper space, you can use the document class minimal. For creating individual snippets of document whose size adapt to the content itself. For this, you have to write stand alone. For letter writing, the document class will be letter. In order to generate the reports like financial reports, you have to specify the document class as report. For typesetting poetry, fiction, non-fiction, and mathematical work, the document class will be member. In order to produce the advertisements or the flyers, leaflet document class will be used. For developing exams like MCQs, descriptive questions, and so on and so forth, you have to write the document class as exam. Now we will cover the options in the document class that can be written before the type in the square braces. In the options, you can select the font size. You can write 10 pt. It means the font size globally will be 10. Paper size and format. For example, you can choose A4 paper or you can write letter paper and define the paper size here. If you are not finalizing your document and you want to put in a draft mode, you can use the option as draft. Generally, for most of the cases, for the articles, most journals prefer to have two columns. In order to produce multiple columns in a LaTeX document, you can specify by one column, two column, or multiple columns. Formula specific options. When you want to have the equation numbers on the right hand side, you can use R, E, Q, and O. For the left numbered equations, you can write L, E, Q, and O. To print landscape document, you just have to specify the word landscape in the option. For single and the double-sided documents, you just have to specify one side or two sides. For the title page behavior, you can simply write no title page or title page. Chapter opening page. You can use it as open right or open any. These are the few options we generally use to produce the LaTeX document. There are many options available for particular cases, and we are not going to discuss this here. So this is our today's tutorial. I hope you like this one. In the next tutorial, I will cover which compilers are preferable to use to produce LaTeX document. In the further tutorials, I will go through further in the preamble part and also for the document part. Thank you so much.